That hot chip challenge everybody's doing, 1.5 million Scoville units. That's hot. These bad boys right here, 6 million. Hot as can be. Pop's Pepper Patch, Louisville, Kentucky. The quality of their pickles is next to none. Top notch pickle. We're gonna batter them up, bread them, throw them in some oil, and fry these bad boys up. I can feel the heat coming off the top. You can smell the heat. Look at these things. I mean, you can see the heat on them. Get your best looking pickles here. We're gonna dry these suckers off before we bread them. We're gonna dab the top of these bad boys. You guys, the smell coming off these is ridiculous. I can taste the heat through my nose. Now we're gonna let these sit here, dry out. Grab you a bowl, whisk, a little bit of buttermilk, 1 egg. One lonely, perfectly round, fresh out of a chicken's rear, egg. You guys hear that? It's saying cook me. So we've got our egg in there. Twist the top on our buttermilk. We're gonna use about a cup and a half. Oh no, what have I done? I forgot the most important part. You guys, Dano seasoning going in this. Faux show. Get you some flour, pour it in a bowl. Grab you some spicy Danos. Little pop. Look at the pop action right there in that flour. We're gonna grab these pickles, we're gonna throw them in the flour, get a little coating on them, drop them into our wet mix, pull them back out, put them in the flour again. Get a nice little coating on them. I almost feel as if we should have signed a waiver to buy these pickles because they're messing with my sinuses. I'm breathing free. We're in the Ohio Valley and I can breathe air through my nostrils because I've smelt these pickles. We got a nice breading on them. Let's throw them in the fryer. So we've got our oil heated up to about 325. You wanna drop your pickles in. I'm standing back and it's not because of the hot oil. I literally have a feeling that if I breathe this pickle stuff in while it's frying, it's gonna be like macing myself in the kitchen. We're gonna let these bad boys fry till they're nice golden brown. I can feel my eyes starting to burn from just this cooking and me being close to it. All right, guys, these are fried to a nice golden brown. As you can see, ooh, the smell in here is literally like I called it. It's pretty much like macing yourself. No matter how much we let these things cool down, they're still gonna be hot as can be. Ranch Hack 101, check this out. Grab any ranch you can. Dano's is the most versatile seasoning. You cannot do the stuff we do with any other seasoning but Dano's. Dano's is the most versatile seasoning on the market, makes anything taste Dano-mite, and you're a fool if you don't put Dano's on everything you're eating. That's why our motto is put some Dano's on it. So basically what's happening here is this Dano's right now is all dehydrated herbs and spices, but they're getting hydrated with the liquid in the ranch. It's gonna thicken up a little bit if you use the right amount. All that flavor is gonna stick to this pickle. Let's get us a taste. What do you say? Fire in the hole! That's hot. That's real hot. Oh my gosh. This might give me the hiccups, but I'm telling you what, it's got some flavor, baby. It's got some dang good flavor. We fried them, we ate them, ate the plate too, it's all gone. Like, subscribe, follow, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. We're always doing the Dan thing up in the Dan kitchen. It's just how we roll. Sprinkle, sprinkle, baby. Until next time.